Pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a metallic bob suspended by a light, inextensible string passing through the split halves of a cork. Its principle is used in pendulum clocks and in scientific instruments such as accelerometers, seismometers, and gravimeters to measure the acceleration of gravity in geophysical surveys and even as a standard of length. Galileo discovered that the regular motion of pendulums can be used for timekeeping. Here, we can use this simple pendulum to find the acceleration due to gravity at a place by plotting LT square graph. Principle: the acceleration due to gravity at a place is given by g is equal to 4 pi square into L by t square, where L is the length of the pendulum and t is the time period of the pendulum. Materials required: a clamp with stand, split cork, a bob, cotton thread, vernier calipers, stopwatch, meter scale. Procedure: measure the diameter of a simple pendulum bob using vernier calipers. The bob is tied to one end of the string and the other end is passed through the two halves of the cork, firmly fixed in a clamp stand. The length of the pendulum is adjusted to be 50 centimeters. Allow the pendulum to oscillate. A stopwatch is started when the pendulum crosses the equilibrium position. The stopwatch is stopped when the pendulum has completed 20 oscillations and the time t is noted. The period of oscillation t is equal to t by 20 is calculated. The experiment is repeated for different lengths like 60 centimeters, 70 centimeters and 80 centimeters. The value of L by t square is calculated in each case and it is found to be a constant. Now, calculate the acceleration due to gravity using the relation g is equal to 4 pi square into L by t square. A graph is plotted with L along x-axis and t square along y-axis. It will be a straight line. From the graph, calculate L by t square as L by t square is equal to AB by OB. G is also calculated using the value L by t square. Applications: usually simple pendulums are used to regulate pendulum clocks. It can also be used as a gravimeter to measure local gravity. Pendulums were used in early seismometers to measure earth tremors.